The topic we chose was lowlands. Lowlands is exactly what it sounds like, land that is lower and flatter than the land next to it, probably in the next province or so. There are three main lowlands that we'll go into depth in: the interior plains, the St. Lawrence lowlands, and the Hudson Bay lowlands. The St. Lawrence lowlands are three widely separated sections linked by the unfolded sedimentary bedrock that lie beneath. The western and central sections are among the most human-altered regions of Canada, containing about half the population of Canada. The St. Lawrence region encompasses the greatest biodiversity in all of Canada. The vegetation here is typified by a forest of sugar maple, American beech, basswood, white oak, red oak, and many more. The wildlife contains animals such as the white-tailed deer, gray squirrel, coyote, and many more along with those. Next is the interior plains. The interior plains is a vast piece of land that spreads through multiple provinces. The land itself is huge. The land is around 1.9 million kilometers squared. The plains actually is an astounding 19% of Canada's land area. However, it's only the fourth largest region. There are multiple wildlife in the interior plains, such as foxes, wolves, muskrats, cows, and bears, and even animals like horses and bison. The vegetation in the interior plains is a heaven for farmers because the soil there is prime for the growing of barley, wheat, and oats. Next up is the Hudson Bay. The Hudson Bay is another example of lowlands. In these lowlands, up to 85% of the region is muskeg or peat-forming wetlands. This wetland is more covered with water than land. Up to 50% of the surface is water. Outside of the alpine areas, this is one of the most southerly expanses of tundra in the world, which then separates the treeless tundra from the boreal forest as a mosaic of forest and tundra. There are many types of trees, such as dense forests of white spruce, balsam fir, aspen, balsam poplar, and white birch. Some of the wildlife, polar bears, are pretty popular when it comes to the wildlife of this region. The most southerly population of polar bears have a unique characteristic that they construct dens to cool off in. Some that have probably used for centuries are more than 6 meters deep. Thank you for listening.